This is a repair video for the Delta shower arm extension you can find at Home Depot. They actually sell a different brand at the store at Home Depot, but you can get these online for like $15 on HomeDepot.com. And I think there's a good reason for that. People are complaining that these O-rings in these joints right here wear out. And once they do, you get a leak like right here in between this joint here. It could be squirting up at the ceiling or squirting down, or it's just a total mess. I mean, so people are looking for the O-ring replacements as a simple thing, but Home Depot doesn't carry this particular size of O-ring. And Delta, they'll give you a part number for a kit you can order, but it's hard to find. It's a big pain in the butt. Maybe if you call Delta, they might actually send it to you for free. I haven't even tried that, but I went to Home Depot, I went to Harbor Freight, I bought a giant O-ring kit. I tried to compare to see if I could find any O-rings at Home Depot that fit. I couldn't. Other people had complained about the same issue. They couldn't find any that fit. So what I ended up doing was I actually picked out an O-ring that was just a little bit thicker and a little bit smaller than the O-ring that came in this. So basically I just kind of stretched it just a little bit to get it to fit into that groove right in between here inside this housing. And that actually sealed perfectly. I even put a little bit of, I tried using like Great White, plumber's putty, plumber's pipe dope on there to see if I could stop the leak. That didn't work. But once I put the new O-ring in there of the Danco number 41, you can get this at Lowe's or Home Depot. It's like $2 or $3 for a 10-pack. Once I put that in there, I was good to go. And one thing that people try is they try to tighten up these wing nuts, thinking that's going to tighten that seal, but it absolutely doesn't. The way that this works, this wing nut here is really only to increase the strength of this arm. It does not increase the strength of that seal. It's completely dependent on that O-ring. Matter of fact, you might even find it to leak worse if you over tighten that wing nut. But now with the new O-ring in there, it doesn't matter. I can tighten it up as much as I want. I'm getting no leaks, and it was an easy fix. So that's what I recommend. Number 41, give it a shot. Keep extra ones on hand. You might need to replace them every once in a while. But I was real happy to get this thing fixed. I didn't want to have to throw it away. Delta actually used good quality materials when they built this shower arm, so it's just replacing the O-rings every once in a while seems like a worthwhile effort. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions or questions, post them up. Thank you.